So, dear students, now we are going to discuss RNA interference beyond the level of NCERT textbook. Okay, so this one is a host cell, whatever the host cell. Take tobacco plant, no problem. Tobacco plant. And here is the nematode. This diagram, dummy diagram only, not the real diagram, but mechanism is almost same. Okay, so this is nematode. And this is a DNA of a double-stranded DNA of nematode. Double-stranded DNA. So as usual, transcription. And this is a RNA molecule, mRNA molecule with certain number of nucleotides. Okay, so now our objective is how to silence this mRNA. If it is silenced, there will be no protein. So this one is a DNA molecule or RNA molecule, double-stranded RNA or DNA. So this is a genetic material of host. Genetic material of host, that may be DNA or RNA. So now transcription or separate both the strands to understand the concept clearly. Separate these two strands. 5, 3, 3, 5. Separate these two strands. Strand 1, strand 2, 5, 3, 3, 5. Strands of concerned nucleic acid. Okay, right? So from this one, transcription. Okay, so this one, after completion of this transcription, 3, 5, 5, 3. These two are the mRNA molecules. Okay, so hybridization between these two. Up to here almost same. 3, 5, 5, 3. Now, dicer protein, dicer. Dicer means able to cut this mRNA. This is a double-stranded mRNA. Double-stranded mRNA. Double-stranded mRNA. So dicer is able to cut. Dicer is concerned with cutting of mRNA. So now this mRNA is cleaved into a number of fragments. These are the fragments of mRNA. So what is the role of dicer protein? Dicer is a protein. It is a protein. Dicer is protein concerned with cutting of a double-stranded mRNA molecule. Right? So out of all these, take one fragment. Take one fragment. For example, this one is 3, 5, 5, 3. So this one is a guide strand. For example, only guide strand. This one is a passenger strand. Guide strand, passenger strand. guide, passenger strand. Guide strand, passenger strand. Okay, so now same protein, dicer protein, is able to dissolve passenger strand and guide strand is remaining. 3, 5. Guide strand. Okay, so guide strand is dissolved. Arrow, take that guide strand here, 3, 5. Now guide strand, this is guide strand. Guide strand, guide strand with argonaut protein, argonaut protein, argonaut, argonaut protein. So guide strand is associated with argonaut protein and other proteins also. Argonaut protein, argonaut protein. Okay, so this complex is called as RISC. What is RISC? Single stranded mRNA, single stranded mRNA. This is also called as a siRNA. So what is a risk? Risk is nothing but first what is the risk? RNA molecule, RNA induced silencing complex, RNA induced silencing complex, risk, remember like that. So what about this single stranded RNA molecule? This is a siRNA. Okay, siRNA. Okay, small interfering RNA, siRNA, small interfering RNA, siRNA, small interfering RNA, siRNA. What is the risk? Risk means RISC, RNA induced silencing complex. So now risk entered into nematode. So single stranded mRNA, that is a siRNA. For example, this one is a 5 to 3 hybridized, 3 to 5, either completely or some extent. So now what about this one, double stranded one, converted to double stranded one. So here this mRNA is converted to either double stranded or dismantled. Both are possible. So what about the fate of this one? Either double stranded dsRNA or cleaved into a number of fragments, dismantled, making it rendering it non-functional. So here two events are possible: converting this one into double stranded RNA or cutting that one into a number of fragments. Okay, so definitely they will ask what is the risk? Risk means RNA induced silencing complex. Risk is with a single strand RNA molecule, argonaut protein. So this is a beyond NCERT textbook. Beyond NCERT textbook. So new thing is simply dicer. Double strand RNA is converted to single strand one, associated with argonaut protein and other proteins, transport into the cytoplasm of nematode and binded with the RNA of the nematode. So what are the new things here? Dicer protein, siRNA, argonaut protein. And risk. What is risk? Risk is nothing but what is risk? Risk is a collective term of a complex. What is that complex? Risk is nothing but risk is RNA, siRNA plus argonaut protein plus other proteins is collectively called as risk. Okay, so this is a beyond NCERT textbook. Okay,